Hey everybody, happy Saturday morning. Actually, afternoon now for us here on the East Coast. So I don't know about you guys, but is anybody doing multicolor prints? Because I got K2 Creality K2 Plus, and I have two of these CFS Creality filament systems. And actually, I have another one back here. Yeah, please forgive my shop. It's it's a mess right now because I kind of had to put this here, my printer, and kind of move all the other ones, so it like everything's everything's not good. But my plan was to buy some type of I don't know, like some kind of desk or something for this, or table. Like a roll around. Right now I'm using an old TV stand. But yeah, it's definitely not right. It's not sturdy enough. But I wanted to show you guys this. And I hope it's picking it up right, but I just wanted to show you like my multicolor printing, and I love it. And for me, it really helps a lot because I really stopped kind of working in my shop because I've been having so much fun 3D modeling. So when I'm trying to prototype stuff, it helps with having it. I mean, why not print it the color that it's going to be anyway? Because for me, I mean, look, I got builds all over the place and boxes like everywhere, and I never get to them. So for me, it's kind of like the fun of printing is more my game. And I know before I used to be it didn't feel right when my 3D printers didn't run. So now it's like that even changed. Now that I have this machine, it's so fast that when I'm prototyping, I just have this one machine. And so I did give one to my neighbor because he's a good kid and he was shoveling snow for my dad. And I have, let's see, I got 3 Ender 3 Pros, 800, what's it called? CR10 that Mr. Sean Cash gave me. And let's see, then I have my CR10 S5, which I still use for big stuff. And I might as well, for big stuff, I mean like this. So I printed this whole, it's a Galaxy's Edge thing. And this too. Actually, this I printed out on the S5. But yeah, so for me, I kind of like print stuff out and then just lay them somewhere. I mean, like look at like this. So that's something I think I'll come back down here in the cave and start putting stuff up. I really, stuff is starting to build up. Like I'm a toy collector, so the vintage collection, the original like 3.75 inch. So this room over here is going to be like the non-immersive room. and that's going to be all my TVC or vintage Kenner collections, and maybe even dioramas someday, but got years away from that. But yeah, this area here, I did clean it up for a while and started 3D modeling a cantina. So I do have some of that working on, but anyway, now I'm getting off schedule. It was supposed to be just a video about multicolor prints. So just asking, who all went to multicolor prints, and do you love it? Tell me what you got. And are you still using your old printers? Because I feel bad for them. But they are slow, a lot slower than this guy is. So yeah, I really love this. I only had problems with the with one of these. It was a little chip that went bad inside. They quickly sent one back. Well, after the Chinese New Year was over, I finally got one. But they do have the part in their store that you could buy readily. And I love this guy. I really do. I have it on all the time. It's on Wi-Fi. Usually I do my modeling and stuff upstairs. Then I start the print from my computer. And yeah. Then I come back down here and I check my prints, make sure that they're working right. And yeah, that's when I do it. Sometimes my Patreon members do it for me, which I really appreciate. They tell me if I messed up or not. But yeah, all right, just feeling a little happy on a Saturday. I just ate my scrapple eggs and bacon, and I'm feeling good. Coffee. Time to go get some tea in me and do some more 3D modeling. So keep on making. I'll see you soon.